everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Looking to book a hotel the smart way? In this video, I will walk you through how to find and book a hotel on Agoda step by step so you can get great value and avoid surprises. So let's dive in. First, open the Agoda app or go to the agoda.com in your browser. Tap sign in if you have an account. If not, select sign up. Enter your name, email, and password to make an account. Being logged in helps you access member discounts and save your booking details. Now on the Agoda homepage, go to hotels. And here enter your destination, check-in, check-out dates, and number of guests or rooms. Let me continue with Liverpool City Centre and tap search. Now here use filters to narrow options like the property type, homes and apartments, and facilities. Let me go with swimming pool, internet, and a hostel. And tap filter. You can sort the list according to price and area as well. If book without credit card is important to you, filter for properties that offer that option. Now scroll through the search results and tap on hotel you like to see more details. Let me go with this one. And tap choose my room at the bottom right. Here you can select the room type that suits you best, like bed type, refundable versus non-refundable, free breakfast, etc. If book without credit card is important to you, filter for properties that offer that option. Now double check all your details like dates, number of guests, room type, total price, that is including taxes and fees, and look at the cancellation policy. See how flexible it is if you change plans. Sometimes Agoda shows Agoda cash or rewards. Check if your hotel qualifies for that. And once you are satisfied, tap book or reserve. Again, tap next, final step. Here choose your payment method, either credit or debit card, PayPal in some places, or book now, pay later if available. Fill in your guest details like name, contact number, email. Review everything and then confirm your booking. After that, you'll get a confirmation email with a booking voucher. If you need to change dates, guest name, or check-in time, log into your Agoda account, go to My Bookings and see if that hotel allows edits. Some rooms are changeable, some are not. For issues or special requests, for example, non-smoking room, airport shuttle, use the special request field during booking or contact the hotel directly afterward. And some of the tips and cautions for you guys is book early for better availability and price. And always check cancellation fees because flexible bookings are safer. Don't forget to compare deals like app versus website. Sometimes Agoda gives app-only discounts, and save or screenshot your confirmation voucher and have ID or passport ready at check-in. And that's it. That's how you book a hotel on Agoda safely and easily. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.